Hi everyone and welcome back to Bobby and Cece. I know it's been a minute since you've seen our faces. The holidays have happened and now the holidays have been not happening anymore. So we have been able to get together and actually do stuff. Today we are going to be doing a mask with me. Sure, it'll go under the mask with me category because it's not makeup, but it's also not skincare. It's teeth. We got some teeth.
So from our BoxyCharm unboxing video for the month of December, we both received this in our BoxyLocks. And so, as we said we would, here we are.
Yes.
We're gonna see if it makes any difference. I don't know if you'll even be able to see a difference whatsoever.
I don't know.
Because, yeah.
Well, she drinks a lot of coffee, so coffee stains. And other stains from just being a human. Soda? I drink a lot of soda.
So. Other stains from being a human. If you're excited to see stain removal.
Keep on watching.
Subscribe. Oh man, oh man. I just spit on myself. Anywho.
Okay, so today, like I said, it's going to be, I'll just call it like a teeth with me. That sounds really weird, but that's what it is. So we are going to not only be using this tooth whitening kit, but I thought it would be fun, to not only not be able to talk, but play a K-pop game. Credits to K-pop DR. That is the channel that we're using the video from.
So she looks a little like this. I don't know, you probably can't see the words on it or if it'll even focus, but we're gonna do Guess the 2020 K-pop song.
Yes. So while these are in our mouth, because it needs to be in there for 15 minutes, we're going to be trying to guess as many K-pop songs from 2020.
And making the sound if we can.
Yeah.
This should be hilarious. I mean, if it's not funny, like, I'll be surprised, because I'll be listening to Cece like, and you'll be like, what? And then they play it and she'll be like, I told you, and I'll be like, I didn't hear that, like.
So we're gonna try to do that. If you did not hear, this is the tooth whitening thing that we will be using is from Butte Beauty, and it's the teeth whitening kit. And there's a couple uses in this. So if you get this kit, I don't know how much it retails for. We'll put it up on the screen if we can find it. But I think you get 3 uses is what we established last time.
Yeah, I think that's what we said.
So basically it is brush and floss your teeth. I did that earlier. Open the LED light and remove batteries. Put batteries in the thingy. Attach your mouth tray to the LED by wrapping tray on light. Apply whitening gel to top and bottom. You only need 0.5 of a milliliter, so that's why we said there's like 3 uses in here. And then you insert, tap the power button, and whiten for 15 minutes. So when you're done, you rinse it out, and then hopefully your teeth are whiter.
Yeah. I had coffee in between when I brushed my teeth and now, so we'll see if that. Honestly, I don't know how much whitening is going to happen in the first place because we're going to be trying to yell with this in our mouth.
Yeah.
So, like, I wouldn't even, I'm not even expecting results.
Yes, but we are going to try this to the best of our abilities while also having some fun because who just wants to watch us sit there for 15 minutes? No one.
So it comes with the battery in it already?
Yeah, so you have to turn the little battery thing on the back to unlock it. Woo! And it falls out. Okay.
All right, so now we got to attach. Ooh, this feels weird.
Yeah, it does.
She is a weird feeling little dude here.
So you attach, oh my god, you know what this reminds me of that stupid, like, talking mouth game.
How are we gonna talk? Like, I just don't even see that happening. Like, this is large.
I really can't speak English. Hey! Okay, so Bobby's gonna really
subtitles,
struggle.
Okay? We're gonna have subtitles. I'm just gonna rock some subtitles.
And they're gonna be really shitty ass subtitles too. Like,
right.
They're gonna be like, sweet.
Oh my god.
Does my button work? It does, okay. Well, at least you don't have to push, like, hold the button down. That's nice. That's like hold that button down for 15 minutes. That would suck. Okay, so this like loosely fits on here, which I don't like. I wish that fit on there more securely if we're rating the product as we go.
Okay, this thing is like, mine's like bent.
Oh, yours is bent. Weird.
So mine has like a little weird like lip thing on it that's making it difficult to stay on.
I mean, it doesn't adhere the best to begin with, to be perfectly honest with you.
Okay, 'tis on.
Beautiful. So we got our mouthpieces and our syringes. Oh, I didn't mean to push button. Okay, so there's little measurements. So there's 3 milliliters it looks like. So you actually get 6 uses if you're, you're using 0.5 for the top and 0.5 for the bottom. So you do only get 3 uses. So don't try to use 0.5 for the whole entire tray. It's not gonna work.
Oh my Jesus.
And then you just break off the top of the tip. Okay.
Garbage too. Alrighty.
I'm like so not gonna do this right. I can already feel it in my soul.
How do I measure just only 0.5? Like,
so you just took that measurement?
Okay, it's going. Yes, I know. That's not what I meant. I mean, like, when I'm trying to watch where to put it.
Like, where to put it? I don't know. I guess focus on the front because that's really what people see, right? Who gives a shit about your molars? Are you just putting as much on
Honestly,
as you want?
I'm just doing her.
What's the worst that can happen? Your teeth fall out?
Well, if your teeth falls out from that, then. All right, so I would say 2 uses out of this if you went as sparingly as I did. So I used about 1.5, so I used about 0.75 for the top and the bottom. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to cover Cece's face up here.
I used 2. So I used half of the tube. So.
Yeah, about half, that's what I'm saying. If you can see kind of how things are on here.
But how do you store this? It's open now. How do you store the syringe? I don't think they thought that through. Weird. I don't know, man. We're trying our best. So
we're just guessing here. Let's be honest. All right, so we're gonna stick this in our mouths. I'm gonna bring up this thing. It's gonna play the things, and we're gonna try to guess.
Yes.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll see. We'll see how things go. So this has to be in for 15 minutes. Likely will not show you all 15 minutes of said time.
Right.
Just gonna throw that out there. Mostly because there might be like uninteresting parts.
There's some of these that I know for a fact we're not gonna know. We play these on like the regular when we get together because it's fun for us.
It's fun for us.
This one we made sure that we did not watch. So, but yeah, there's gonna be stuff that we don't know and that's not fun for you. Unless we're like real struggling.
Yeah, unless
Yep.
We're ready. Okay.
All right, ready? Minty?
Minty.
I love minty. It's like going to the dentist office.
I like it.
Yeah, it's like going to the dentist. Gonna get all over the tongue. So gross. What the tongue again? I know. There's difference. I need one. So much spit. Oh wow.
That roll. Intermission. I don't know if I can get it back on. Ew.
Even if I wasn't talking, I have a feeling, where the fuck is all your saliva gonna go? Like, you don't get a choice. You have to have saliva.
I don't recommend.
No.
It comes off really easily.
Yeah.
I mean, at this rate, I don't know what this thing would do, but just like stick this, like put it.
Honestly, would it be
Brush
more
your teeth.
effective than just put some of this shit on the front and hold it here? Just hold it.
I just know I don't want to put this back in my mouth.
I will say, from someone who has used just like the strips that go on your teeth, much more effective, tastes less disgusting. Do not give you this foamy, frothy, like, I just got rabies feeling in your mouth. So, I'm gonna rinse my mouth out.
Yeah.
I feel like I have soap in it.
It's gross.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. All right, so we're back.
We have a plan.
We have a plan of attack. We are just going to apply this, English, hard. We're gonna apply this to our teeth, and then we're gonna stick this light over top of it, and we're going to see if that maybe will work as instead of sticking that whole tray in there, the amount of
Stuff
that was coming up was just
no.
Was a really hard pass for both of us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do a couple more songs. We're gonna see how that kind of goes. If it goes well, we'll leave it on for the full 15. If it does not go well,
We're gonna leave it on for 10 because we had it on for 5.
What she said.
So
We're gonna apply here.
I feel like didn't do shit so far, but it was only on for 5 minutes, so. This is fun. Good? Mm-hmm. All right, let's do this. Much better. That's a black mama. Ooh, good song. Dynamite. Oh God! It's out of this. It's telling us that this teeth whitening thing isn't gonna work. We're showing you gum. Gum. Hit that line and watch to make a list. Good song. Good song. That's a good song. Monster! I really so cute. Yep. You're correct. I love that song. This is my favorite song. Yeah, it is. I love this song. No. A good song. I love that song. Good song. Good song. Again. We're hot. That's such a good song by her. My sex can do this. It just sounded like you said my sex can do this. My kids can do this part. Do. They do it when the song comes on in the car. Nope. Sorry. Never guess. Oh my God. Never guess them. 10! Well, if you guys weren't sure if we listened to the music after the video, we definitely do.
Love that song.
Spit it out, guys. Just spit it out. Well, like, I can't guess the groove right now. And I'm gonna take off your... The new song. Instruction. Without you, I know me. Card, Jesus Christ. I hit you like a gun. Shot. Dream catcher. Scream.
She's a gamer, you know that?
I fucking love it. It's just great. What are all these girls? There's so many of you.
That's why.
Oh, okay. I should have known
Gigi's
that.
husband loves Momoland.
Yeah, he does. Fucking loves Momoland. Okay, we're getting to the end of where I don't know where the fuck any of this is. Yeah, no, I don't listen to that either. Alright, well, we're at the end of things that we don't know anymore, so...
Ouch. Oh, I cut myself on the box.
Ugh.
All right, so I already know what I think. I think no.
I also think no.
I think I'm going to give this guy a toss. So if you're wondering if it's worth your coin, this particular situation,
no.
Aside from the fact, because we do understand and know that first of all, we're talking during the use.
Yes.
Okay, we understand that is going to affect how it works. And this is not results based. This is the way it makes my mouth feel based. And I think if my mouth was closed and I was watching a movie and it still foamed like that, it would still be irritating.
Right, because even if we're not talking, because, like, I am actively, like, trying to not make as much movement as possible. Like, I'm trying not to agitate it too much. I think this shit just foams. I think it just foams.
I think it does too. I think the foam is maybe it working.
Right.
I don't care for the texture or the taste of it.
Yeah, the taste is awful. My lips feel weird.
Right, and I swallowed it on accident. Not accident. I swallowed intentionally, but, right. You have to with all the saliva that was being created with the whole situation.
Yeah, because even if you weren't talking, you still produce so much saliva.
Yeah.
Like, so much saliva.
So, I swallowed a little bit, and probably gonna have regrets for that. But I don't think so. I don't
know. It's just, I don't know how much this costs. I wouldn't purchase it.
I wouldn't either.
I don't care how desperately my teeth need to be white. I don't. Buy whitening toothpaste.
Yeah.
I had my reservations about using this because I have teeth sensitivity, like extreme teeth sensitivity in my front teeth, especially on the top. And I was afraid that this whitening product would potentially make the sensitivity worse. And I can feel now, my teeth feel weird. Like, they feel weird.
My teeth also feel weird.
I don't know if that's a film. It could be very much be a film, but
yeah,
I'm just...
like, texturally, not like my teeth are vibrating.
Right, no. Nothing like that. But
it does. It kind of feels, like, dirty. Does that make sense? Like, like there's a film over it or something?
Right, there's a layer. I mean, again, we had to rinse our mouths out because it said so, but I don't know. I'm just afraid that with prolonged use of something like this, or product like this, it would give you worse tooth sensitivity, because I've heard that being a thing. I don't know if this.
Well, and on the back it does say no sensitivity. I would recommend before using it, maybe going to talk to your dentist and be like, hey, I have this thing. What do you think?
Right. What do you think about this?
What do you think about this? If you have tooth sensitivity, obviously, if you haven't, you want to give it a go. Like, do you?
Right.
But if you have tooth sensitivity, or like I have a filling in between my two front teeth because I had a whole lot of one of my teeth and they had to fill it in, and so in that spot, I was worried about this, and it's in my two front teeth. Because obviously your filling's not going to change color no matter what.
Right. It'll always be the color it is.
So I was like ish worried. So probably would have talked to my dentist about that. But I don't know that it was on long enough to really have results from it.
Right.
So
well, and I had mine on a pretty decent amount of time. You took yours off more than I did because you were having struggles.
I was having a lot of struggles.
But if we're going to look at it, they look the same. Again, we didn't do it necessarily properly.
Yeah.
So I do understand if it didn't work. It was more just like haha fun time. It wasn't really meant to be super serious.
Honestly, it was haha fun time because it was hilarious trying not to. Yeah. So if you enjoyed watching, not necessarily as a mask with me, but like if you enjoyed as a K-pop lover, watching us try to guess songs at 1 second, but like with like a twist, like having something in our mouths or something like that, let us know in the comments below, just like the video, and we can definitely hook you guys up with more videos like this.
Yeah, we do a whole lot of this in our free time.
We do this stuff in our free time. And then just like one more time, just to like give credit to this K-pop doctor. I do believe that's what that's supposed to be.
Yeah.
This one, it's Guess the 2020 K-pop Songs, has the two little lines. This is K-pop game. This one was, it says 1 week ago, that's how new this was. And so if you are into this kind of stuff, you like to do this, kind of test yourself, I would recommend checking out the K-pop Doctor one. Has a lot of good videos, not necessarily this 1 second one, because we've guessed tons of them. Like, yeah, we've spent time doing this.
We frequent this person regularly, and they come out with stuff pretty often. So
check them out. And then also like and comment and subscribe if you haven't.
Yes, and if you've used this before, please let us know how it works when you're like not just messing around.
Yeah, we're not just dinking around with it, because obviously we didn't have high hopes for its ability to work. We're kind
of messing around.
What was what. So,
all right.
Goodbye.